So this is the second time that I've tried to film this because this little one decided she wanted to be with me during this filming process. So if you haven't noticed, it is very, very early in the morning, extremely early in the morning. And I actually have a doctor's appointment today. I've been kind of MIA this week because I've been prepping for our next round of IVF. So that's kind of the reason why I'm going to be taking a break a little bit from YouTube and kind of just settling back into this groove of the IVF journey and the chaos that is involved in it. And then hopefully this second round will be successful and everything will work out well. But anyway, that's kind of the reason why I'm going to be taking a short break. But before I left, I wanted to make sure that I had ideas of what I wanted to do for the future and got feedback from all of you. And of course, Pepper is just being herself. So based on last week's video, we are going to do the moon tutorial. Basically, I promised that in July. I promised that while I was putting together the fox tutorial. And there is still a good amount of people that want me to put that together. So I'm planning on putting that together. It's going to be just a one-off video. That's the tutorial. I'm planning on putting that together in January. And I think that actually kind of works out well because it's like new moon. I'm thinking about doing a full moon painting, but like a new moon, a new year. I think that would really mesh well. The next thing that I had you vote on last week was animals for the next series, and that's basically what we're going to be talking about today. I want y'all to start voting on animals, and I wrote the whole list out of every animal that y'all suggested, and then I narrowed it down to, I'm debating between 3 or 4, because I think 3 or 4 of these would be really cute around Valentine's Day. So that's kind of the reasoning behind what animal I'm choosing. I'm basing it based on what I think would work really, really well with the next holiday that I'm planning on working on, which would be Valentine's Day and then St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, I know we're in fall and I'm talking about Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. So the 3 animals that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cat. That was asked multiple times. Bird was asked multiple times, and there were several birds mentioned. And I think the one that would fit really well with Valentine's Day would be like a peacock. So I was going to do a peacock. And then the last one was going to be, this is the one I keep debating on. I'm going to do mouse. I keep going back and forth between one other one, but I think mouse would work really well because in my brain I'm thinking I've done an illustration like this, but I'd like to revamp it. A mouse with like baking goods, because you think of a mouse like typically they're in your kitchen and stuff, which you don't want them in your kitchen, but I do think of like a mouse with baking goods would be really cute around Valentine's Day. The idea that I'm kind of thinking, and this could all change, but this is kind of the brainstorming that I'm going through. A peacock with like really cool, like funky glasses for Valentine's, like little heart glasses, I was thinking would be really cute. And then a cat probably with heart glasses, or something maybe like delivering an envelope that has like a heart on it or something would be really cute as well to do. So those are kind of the animals that I want y'all to vote on. Now, if your animal didn't get featured in this vote list, don't worry. I'm planning on doing a lot of these in the future. So I'm going to ask again in the future after this series is done, what animal do you want me to do next? And make sure to put in the comments, because the ones that I'm picking from are, first off, the ones that are mentioned the most or liked the most in the comments. And then from there, I'm trying to base it on what I think would fit the theme. So those are the 3 animals. We're going to have cat, peacock, and mouse for the next thing. So go ahead and vote which of those 3 you would like for the next series. And then I'll probably just do an update image or blog post on which animal has won, rather than doing a video, because like I said, I'm going to be taking some time off since we're going back into this IVF cycle again, which is a lot of chaos and a lot of doctor's appointments, and just, if you have gone through IVF or you know of somebody who's gone through IVF, it's very crazy. So yeah, I'm going to be taking a couple of weeks off, and then I'll be getting back into things again once I recoup and I feel healthy and recovered. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. I hope you have enjoyed the series. There's still one more like little time-lapse painting that I have left. And oh, I'm going to be increasing the price of the Fox course. So right now it's $1. I want you to know I'm going to be increasing that price within the next week or two to $5, because I'm going to be adding more like small lesson tutorials to that as well. I'm planning on adding a Thanksgiving one as well as a Christmas one to that in the upcoming weeks. Inside of there, so I'm going to increase the price of that as well, so make sure to get in before I increase the price. And I'll also be adding that in the spring. I'll be adding little holiday things as well to that, while we're also working on the next tutorial animal series as well. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. Hopefully that clarified some things for you, and I will see you soon. And please give me well wishes, prayers, just a lot of stuff. IVF has not been the most successful in our process so far, but we are still very, very hopeful. So anyway, this is a journey that we decided to go on this year, and we're just trying to keep our hopes high, and hopefully things will turn out this next round. So anyway, lots of love, y'all, and have a wonderful Halloween. I probably will not see you until after that. So lots of love. Bye.